Hi guys, my name is Aldin. Welcome to this full body workout on the beach. But of course you can do it actually anywhere, at your home, at the office, anywhere. You don't need any equipment. It takes about 18 to 20 minutes to finish, but of course you can do it a little bit longer, shorter, however you want. So we will start with a little warm-up. We will start from the top and slowly go down. Of course, head rotations from left to right, up and down. Just need to do a few repetitions. Then we will do some shoulder rotations. Now your hips. First you will be doing some rotations both ways, and then you will lean forward, backward, to the sides. Big circular motions with your hands, again both ways. Now the ankles, feet and hands as well. At the same time, you don't want to get injured. It's really important to do this because we will be doing a little bit of jumping. So now this is a dynamic section of the warm-up to get your heart rate a little bit higher. First up, body twists. Now just a few jumping jacks. This is really good to get your heart rate higher. Heel to glutes. Now we have some sprints, 3 levels. You start from the first level, so you make small steps and then you get higher to the top speed. Breathing exercises as we close down on our warm-up section. You're about to start with some squats. Of course, it is a great exercise. Try to go as deep as you can. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. Spine is in neutral position. This is a side view. When you come to the top, try to really squeeze your glutes to get most of this exercise. Now for the second exercise, we will be doing some alternative lunges. Of course you can do one side at a time, but I like to do it alternative because it's great for your coordination. Your knee needs to go really down, but don't touch the floor or the sand. Now we are doing some good mornings with our hands extended. When your hands are extended like this above your head, straight line, it's really difficult. Again, spine is in neutral position. Squeeze the glutes at the top.
'Cause I've been kicked when I'm so down, too much until it's numb. And there's nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul.
Next up, something really good for your posterior chain. Back exercise, upper back, rows. You really need to squeeze your back as you're pulling. Imagine you're pulling something really heavy that will help you.
'Cause I've been kicked when I'm so down, too much until it's numb. And there's nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul.
The side view, as you saw earlier, almost with any exercise you try to keep your spine as neutral as possible.
Holding on my life till the very last breath, got me feeling fucked up. See the floors are red, but now I know that I'm safe in a place called home.
This exercise, shoulder press, back squeeze, legs, kinda easy to do, but trust me, if you do it the right way, it's supposed to be a little bit hard. It all depends on you. Try really to extend your arms up above your head in one line.
Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul.
This is a great corrective exercise as well.
Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul.
When you pull your elbows down, really squeeze your back muscles. A little bit of stretching.
Holding on my life till the very last breath, got me feeling fucked up. See the floors are red, but now I know that I'm safe in a place called home. Under the pressure, I lost my temper. I said something foolish. Did I go
Again, similar exercise. You really want to squeeze and engage your upper back.
Could feel it running through my lonely
So you
veins.
protract
When I
your
started
shoulders
to
to the
heal,
front,
could see
really
myself
extend it back,
loving
then squeeze it
for
as
the
hard
rest of
as you
my
can.
days.
Side view,
No, I don't want to be alone.
stand,
So late
and
at
squeeze.
night. So late at night.
Again, it looks easy, but trust me, it's a great exercise. Again, same stretching technique.
No, I don't wanna sleep, 'cause then I'm dreaming, and you're not real, not mine to keep. No, I don't wanna sleep, and I'm losing time, losing my chance to make you mine. So late at night, go back to December.
Shoulder movement.
Look back and
So you
remember.
go up to the sides, up
Those
again,
memories are
and to
better
the
than
sides,
gold.
front,
I let you down, I know. When it started to feel so real, could feel it running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal,
hands
could
extended
see
the whole time.
myself loving
Front,
for the rest of my
side,
days.
up, side, front, and down.
So late at night. No, I don't wanna sleep, 'cause then I'm dreaming, and you're not real, not mine to
Try some
keep.
push-ups.
I don't wanna sleep,
Form a diamond or a triangle with your hands, with your fingers, then push with your triceps. Be careful not to hit your head.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home, 'cause you always try to hurt me, and that's so
Squat
low.
pulsing. Try to go as deep as you can, and then pulse yourself, but you really need to move up and down.
How can we work on ourselves when you say no?
You will feel the burning sensation. And now squat jumps. This is a killer exercise. By skipping, imagine the floor is lava, so it's burning. So skip, 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 skip.
She got me hooked up. Well, she pulling me in like a black hole.
Now we will proceed with some mount climbers. Great
Great
abs exercise for your abs. You can either go diagonal with your knees or straight, however you want. The outcome is pretty much the same.
She's got me shook, this my demise. I'm bleeding, can someone heal me? I can't deal with no more lies.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you
Your feet go in and out, and then try to tap your shoulders as you're doing this. Great exercise as well for your coordination. Some normal push-ups. Now you can improvise a little bit if you want. Now again, this looks very easy. This is a basically chest flies. Imagine you're squeezing something in front of you. That will contract your chest, pectoralis more. Take a water break now and then. Here the trick is to really pull with your bicep. Okay? Don't just lift your knee up, but rather pull your knee upwards.
Why don't you just tell me everything can be so simple, but you want to make it difficult for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself. Why don't you just tell me everything can be so simple, but you want to make it difficult for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself.
Now both hands at the same time.
Take your heart, count the time of love until it is over. You should have thought about your
On your
problems
way up,
wouldn't
breathe
go
out. On your
away
way
by
down, breathe
themselves.
in.
I will
Now we will
take your
proceed with some
heart,
tricep
count
dips.
the time of love until it is
You can either do it on the floor like this, or use some chairs or something to get you a little bit higher. Then your range of motion will be higher, and then the exercise will be a little bit harder to do, but effective.
My feelings
More.
are a place. Time to end this phase. Na, 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 na. I guess we will split our ways. The more of your makeup in my face. My feelings are a place. Time to end this phase. Na, 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 na.
Tricep push-ups as you saw me. Form a diamond or a triangle with your hands. then you push yourself up. Tricep extensions. This looks basically like a bicep curl, but you try to push your hands away from you as high as you can to really get that contraction. As you see in my hands, blood is flowing, it's getting pumped up, even without any resistance, without any equipment. Bicycle crunch, great for your abs, great calorie burner. Scissors, dynamic exercise. You can do it with your hands on the floor or up or behind you, however you want. Also to really extend your legs. Reverse crunches. You can do your Russian twists with your feet up or on the floor, however you want. Now a little bit of stretching. First the child's pose. Try to sit on your heels and then extend your arms in front of you. Push down with your chest. From here, downward facing dog. Just a few seconds and then slowly bring your head
out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way, cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I can tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, let's make it right.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you next time.